just got a bit of a traffic jam. Look how low that cloud is. There we are. Boom. Oh yeah, kangaroo again. Oh, what's spray? Look at the spray there. You're right, Dad. Prague was a bit sunnier.
Let's go back.
I was right. 10 to 1, 2. I mean, no, 12. 10 to 12.
Wait, what time?
Ladies and gentlemen, Jet2 Boeing and Jet2 Holidays would like to welcome you back to Manchester where the local time is 10 to 12. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and your handbags stowed until the aircraft has parked and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before leaving us today, please ensure you do have all your personal items with you. Have a good look in the overhead lockers in the area around your seat, but please do take care when opening overhead lockers in case items have moved during today's flight. We would like to advise passengers that smoking is not permitted anywhere inside the terminal building, nor is it permitted on the bus or the watch of the terminal itself. Mobile telephones may be switched on once the aircraft doors have been opened. The aircraft will be met by our own ground operations team and you'll find them wearing red in the baggage reclaim area should you require any further assistance. Finally, on behalf of all of us at Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, may we thank you for flying with us today. We do hope that you have enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Finally, on behalf of your flight deck and your cabin crew, it certainly has been our pleasure to have you on board today, and we'd like to wish you all a very pleasant afternoon.
Concorde. No Concorde. Concorde not here no more. Oh, they've got half of a monarch.
There's not a comment somewhere. Oh, they're the sort of places my dad used to work on.
What?
BEA or BOAC.
BOAC.
There used to be British. That's China. British European Airways was BEA and BOAC was British Overseas
Crashes.
Airway Corporation or something like that. There were the two.
There's not many. There's not many.
Joined up to become BA.
There's not many comets left because lots of them broke up over Terminal 1 Tower.